Hello, myself Dr. Ghanshyam Jadhav, CDKV Arts and Science College, Jamnagar. In this video, we'll understand about deviation in Lambert's law. Now, in Lambert's law, a graph is drawn, absorbance versus concentration. And if this graph for a series of solution gives the straight line, that means the Lambert-Beer's law is followed. If this linearity is broken, such type of graph is called deviated graph or non-linear graph, and this is known as deviation is Lambert-Beer's law. This is the ideal straight line of absorbance, that means OD versus concentration graph. Now, if there is this straight line observed, then such graph is found to be following the Lambert-Beer's law. Now, deviation. What do you mean by the word deviation? Deviation means non-linearity. So, if the graph is non-linear, either it shifts upwards or downwards, this is called deviation. What is about this deviation? So, this deviation can be a positive deviation where the absorbance increases, is called positive deviation, and where the absorbance decreases with respect to linear graph, such deviation is called negative deviation. What are the reasons for this deviation? There are two basic reasons: deviation due to instrument or deviation through the solution. Deviation through the instrument. Either you are using a defective instrument, deviation may cause due to fluctuation of the current or the background noise of the instrument. There may be some displacement of the prism. You may be using a deflective wavelength or a filter for the measurement. There may be a scattered radiation. The radiation may be scattered. We are going to use monochromatic beam of light. But if it is non-monochromatic, then there will be deviation. Sensitivity of detector matters. If the detector sensitivity is very low, there will be again deviation. Stray light, there must not be outside light present in the chamber, so it should be covered. Deviation through the solution. The cause of deviation through the solution may be by the change in the color of the solution with time, because when you have to measure the values of the solution, the color of the solution must be constant at every measurement. With time, there should be no change in color. Formation of colloidal solution or suspended particle may deviate the graph. Reactions, side reactions like ionization, combination, dissociation, increase in concentration or decrease in concentration may lead to deviation or use of highly concentrated solution. Now, what is the solution for this deviation? How to avoid this deviation in Lambert-Beer's law? First one is use of low concentration. Very low concentration solutions are applicable for Lambert-Beer's law. If the concentration is high, you have to dilute it at certain extent and then measure. Always use transparent solution. There should be no suspended particles in your solution. The color, there should be no change in color. That means color should remain constant throughout the measurement. There should be no side reactions like ionization, combination. The light should be monochromatic. There should not be any stray light or outside light. The cell compartment should be sealed and should be black. And last but not the least, the instrument should be calibrated and without any defect. Thank you so much.